wondering whether when you talk to that many people, do you identify any toxic traits that could have been, they wish that they had been told earlier that those were toxic traits? Because most of us tend to be modeled by a leader before us, and the toxicity comes down, cascades down, and then kind of stays until there's a next leader. So what are some of the toxic traits that came out, and how do you feel about those?
What I would say is that when you're an aspiring leader, you're trying to get that first promotion, one of the things that you like to do is, let's emulate someone else, let's copy someone else. And the issue with that is that they are they, and you are you. No one goes around telling first-time leaders that, hey, in actual fact, the reason why you're not authentic is because you're copying someone else. Right? And what you should be doing is to be able to incorporate some of the lessons that you've learned from these other people into who you are as a person. So when someone is seen as toxic, one of the main reasons is that they may be copying someone else. So they're not coming across as authentic. Another issue is that empathy is lacking. Right? It's, I'm the leader, I've been successful, I've gotten the position, so now all you need to listen to me. Yeah, all you need to do things my way. Yeah. And then when the team member sort of goes, no, this is not working, and they leave, and the team leader goes, the first time leader goes, why are you leaving? I got an opportunity somewhere else. But we always say, we got an opportunity somewhere else. But what we don't say is, actually it's you. Yeah.